Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your objects glow without using any paid effects. Let's get started. First, select the clip or object you want to glow. Then copy and paste it. Now you have two identical layers. Make sure your duplicate layer is below the original one in your timeline. Now, select the bottom layer, right click, and select Create Compound Clip. This basically merges the layer into one clip so we can add effects to it. Now, go to Effects and search for Blur. You'll see the paid effects have this little diamond next to them. As you can see, the first blur effect doesn't have it. That means it's completely free to use. Click on it and drag it onto our compound clip. This is what's going to create the glow effect. Open the effect settings and increase the blur amount until it gives that soft glowing edge. The more blur you add, the stronger the glow looks. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.